Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, it is your boy, the one and only Greatness. And I'm back here with another video. First and foremost, ladies and gentlemen, if you have not copped your Greatness merch, hit the description box below to copy your Greatness merch. I'm going to put something right here for you guys so you can see what the website's looking like, what some of the merch is looking like. After you check out the merch, go ahead and follow me on my social media. So if you have questions for me, I can answer those questions. We can connect with each other. This is way bigger than just YouTube. I want to connect with you guys, and I want to be there for you guys. Because if you didn't know, ladies and gentlemen, I am destined for greatness, and you are destined for greatness too. So, ladies and gentlemen, today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Forex deposit to your broker using Cash App. And if you didn't understand that, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a deposit to your broker using Cash App. Everybody has Cash App, and I don't feel like a lot of people understand that them $20 that you're getting sent on Cash App, you can put that on Forex that same day. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to hop on the desktop. I'm going to have the screen record. I'm going to show you guys everything and how to do it. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are liking these videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. I see the channel starting to grow slowly, and this is very exciting. I can't wait to teach you guys more Forex. I have so many videos that I want to drop. I'm just doing it in a very orderly fashion. So if you like the videos, please comment down below. Let me know you like these videos. If you have a video that you're requesting, drop it down below so I can see those videos. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to hop in the desktop in 3, 2, 1. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm here, and we're going to hop on the desktop soon, and I'm going to show you guys how to deposit money with Cash App to your Forex broker. So the first thing that we do need to do, ladies and gentlemen, we need to hop on the phone, and you need to buy Bitcoin with the Cash App balance that you have. So on my phone here, I'm going to go to Cash App first off. So you're going to want to bring up Cash App. And once you have Cash App on, as you can see in the bottom left, I have a $32 cash balance that was sent. So if you have you can either add cash or you can get sent cash, but as long as you have a cash balance, you can buy Bitcoin and send to your broker and make a deposit. So once you have a balance, you're going to want to go to the bottom where you see the little Bitcoin sign. You're going to want to buy Bitcoin. You see the different tabs here, buy Bitcoin. I'm going to click the 3 dots at the bottom. I'm going to buy $30 worth of Bitcoin. Next. It's going to bring it up, and it's going to show you total Bitcoin purchase, fees, $30. Boom. Going to hit confirm. Okay, so now I have bought $29 worth of Bitcoin that fast. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, $29 worth of Bitcoin that fast. So now we're going to hop on the desktop, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm going to show you what you do with this on the desktop. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm here on the desktop now, and we just bought the Bitcoin to send to our broker. That is the first step, is to buy Bitcoin so you can make that deposit and send it to your broker. The next thing, you're going to bring up your broker's account. You're going to bring up your broker's account, which my account is here, and we're going to go on the dashboard. If you do not have a broker, this is the broker I use, KOT4X. I will drop a link down below for you to join to use this broker. I have no problem with them. 1 to 500 leverage, starting deposit $10. You can trade with $10, 0.01 lot size. It has everything that you need right here. So if you're interested and you need a broker, check out KOT4X. Link in the description below. I'm already signed into my account here. And once you're signed into your account, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to want to make a deposit, which is right here. So you're going to click deposit. The wallet that you want to select is this wallet right here, which is USD. Select type, you're going to select Bitcoin. That's what you always want to click, is Bitcoin. This is what we did on Cash App. We bought Bitcoin, so this is what we're going to send. Bitcoin. Amount that you want to deposit, well, me, I'm going to deposit $30. Whatever you want to deposit. It can be anything as long as it's $10. $10 or more, you can make a deposit. $30. You're going to click proceed to payments page. And so now this pops up. You have 1 hour to complete this transaction. This is what you're going to do with Cash App. You can either use this QR code to send, or this is the Bitcoin address that you're going to send. You already bought $30 or X amount of dollars in Bitcoin. So now you're going to send your Bitcoin to your broker. This is how you're going to do it. So we're going to hop back on this phone here, ladies and gentlemen. And what we're going to do on here is we're going to be on the Bitcoin screen. So you're going to see here, I have $29 worth of Bitcoin. You're going to see buy, sell, and to the right of sell, you're going to see a little arrow. That is going to be the send arrow. So we're going to send Bitcoin. You should see it there, ladies and gentlemen. Send Bitcoin. I'm going to have the screen record for you guys too. Send Bitcoin. So now, if you look in the top right, you have a QR code. You're going to want to click that. You're going to want to scan this QR code. And now all I have to do is confirm. Once you confirm it, I initiated a withdrawal. So now it is now sent to my broker. So now your job has been done, ladies and gentlemen. This is the process. I'm going to head back over so I can talk to you guys about the video and break it down one more time, just in case you guys did not understand, and end the video off. So I'll be right back, ladies and gentlemen. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. First and foremost, ladies and gentlemen, just to recap, step 1 is to buy Bitcoin. Step 2 is to initiate a withdrawal with your broker. And step 3 is to send Bitcoin from Cash App to your broker. And you will have made a deposit minimum of $10 and you can get started. If you enjoyed today's video, ladies and gentlemen, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, there's just one more thing for me to let you guys know, and that I am destined for greatness, and you are destined for greatness too, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't forget that. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.